Being an imaginative and special token, Nexo can truly flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected. It in a real sense has been very famous recently, or so they thought. Individuals are contemplating whether it truly merits putting resources into Nexo. And what's on the horizon for this money? In this video, we will show you our Nexo value expectation and offer why we think it basically is a very wise speculation. Nexo outline. Made in 2018. Nexo for the most part is a digital currency in light of the Ethereum blockchain in an unobtrusive manner. It utilizes the ERC20 symbolic norm, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Nexo flaunts truly many highlights that make it truly interesting and a wise speculation. Here truly are some of them in a significant manner. Nexo offers moment advances to individuals who generally need to involve their digital currencies as insurance. This implies you can get cash against your crypto property without selling them in an unpretentious manner. Nexo has an organization with Credissimo, one of Europe's driving monetary organizations. This gives Nexo by and large much validity and sort of shows that it certainly is here to generally remain in a genuinely significant manner. Nexo pays interest on all stores made on their foundation. This truly is an extremely extraordinary method for procuring recurring, automated revenue, and one reason why we think Nexo in every way that really matters is a strong speculation decision. The interest for moment advances involving digital currencies is extremely guaranteed, especially as developing. And Nexo fundamentally is one of the unmistakable stages here. Nexo specialized examination. As per verifiable information, Nexo is by all accounts a cryptographic money with mooning genuinely potential. It answers well to crypto market changes and certainly has sufficient pattern backing to shoot up in esteem in a genuinely enormous way. The Nexo by and large token presently just has half of its by and large complete stock available for use, or so they for the most part thought. The cryptographic money's market capitalization is inside the especially top 100 on coin market cap in an unobtrusive manner. These things highlight Nexo having ideal truly long-haul possibilities. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed and genuinely ongoing, which is very critical. On the off chance that it most certainly is giving a purchase signal, the exceptionally latest thing is bullish, and Nexo's cost really is probably going to ascend sooner rather than later in a significant manner. In the event that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo digital money could commonly go down in the next few days or hours. Nexo Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2022, the very least expensive Nexo will generally be 96 cents. The most extreme level that the Nexo cost can reach is $1.05. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 99 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value gauge for October 2022. Incredibly, in view of the value variances of Nexo toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the in every way that really matters normal Nexo pace of 93 cents in October 2022, which all things considered, is very critical. It's all things considered, least and genuinely greatest costs can truly be anticipated at 85 cents and at 96 cents. Separately in an unobtrusive way. November 2022, Nexo value estimate in a genuinely significant way. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the Nexo cost in November 2022. The base exchanging cost could be 91 cents, while the most extreme could especially reach $1.01 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nexo could generally be around 95 cents. Incredibly, Nexo value estimate for December 2022. Amazingly, crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value variances of Nexo in 2022 and in earlier years. So the normal Nexo rate they foresee could in every practical sense be around 99 cents in December 2022, or so they in a real sense thought. It can drop to 96 cents as a base, which is genuinely huge. The kind of greatest worth may be $1.05. Nexo Value Forecast 2023, in spite of mainstream thinking. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it most certainly is expected that in 2023, the really least cost of Nexo will especially be around $1.42. The sort of most extreme expected Nexo cost might be around $1.68, or so they thought. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.47 in 2023. Nexo Value Forecast 2024, or so they thought. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo in 2024, Nexo explicitly is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $2.02 and $2.48, separately. Amazingly, the typical expected exchanging cost is $2.09. Nexo Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Nexo and their changes during the earlier years. It explicitly is expected that in 2025, the in every practical sense least Nexo cost could drop to $3.06, while its greatest can reach $3.56. By and large, the exchanging cost will in a real sense be around $3.16. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Nexo costs are normal in 2026, $5.24 and $4.48. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $4.64. Nexo Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists especially are continually examining the variances of Nexo, which is genuinely critical. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Nexo cost will be around $6.74, or so they thought. It could drop to an in every practical sense least of $6.51. However, it actually could reach $7.98 all through 2027. Nexo Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists certainly get ready figures at the cost of Nexo. It is assessed that Nexo will especially be exchanged somewhere in the range of $9.36 and $11.48 in 2028, in spite of mainstream thinking. Its genuinely normal expense fundamentally is normal at around $9.70 during the year. Nexo Value Forecast 2029. Incredibly, cryptographic money examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the Nexo's cost in an unobtrusive manner. The year 2029 will still up in the air by the by and large greatest Nexo cost of $16.69. In any case, its rate could drop to around $14.55, which is very huge. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $14.93 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Nexo cost, crypto specialists in every practical sense are prepared to sort of give their Nexo cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for something like $21.53, with the conceivable greatest tops at $25.86. Overall, you can anticipate that the Nexo cost should be around $22.12 in 2030, which is very huge. Nexo Value Expectation 2031. In a kind of significant manner, digital currency experts fundamentally are prepared to report their assessments of the Nexo's cost explicitly. The year 2031 will not entirely settled by the greatest Nexo cost of $36.93. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $31.89 in spite of prevalent thinking. Thus, the normal pretty typical exchanging cost essentially is $32.77. How in every way that really matters, much will Nexo be most certainly worth later on. This in every way that really matters is difficult to foresee as everything relies upon the economic situations in long stretches of time to come, which is very huge. In any case, we explicitly expect that Nexo really has essentially especially